Will Kava, the crypto coin, make a comeback this year? I think there's a pretty good chance it does because of quite a few reasons I've been talking about that is going to be very good for this bull market. One of which is the main one, is going to be that the Fed is looking very likely it's going to be starting its Fed rate cut cycle. Okay, so I've been talking about this, and this is very key because this drives cheaper money into risk on assets like stocks, like crypto, as we have seen back in 2021, the 2010s, when the federal funds rate was actually very cheap, right? Very low rates or even zero at times. And right now, I think it looks very much like the Fed is about to start that cycle and start lowering these rates and drive cheaper money into the markets. That is one of the key arguments. Now, of course, there's going to be some bullish technical indicators on Bitcoin. That is also very important, right? Um, and I am long on Bitcoin. I am long on quite a bit of the altcoins here. So my opinion on this crypto market as a whole, it's bullish, right? But of course, these are just my opinions and not financial advice. And you still gotta do your own research. But what I'm seeing here is I'm gonna point out to you guys some charts on the price action charts that tell me that these coins are more likely to be going to the upside. Okay, of course, also have to consider the downside as well, because nothing in this market is 100%. Now, this is Kava, right? This is a request by one of my viewers. If you guys have any requests, you guys should drop a comment, like, subscribe. I'll pick a request to do for you guys on a daily basis. But also, I will also link you guys to my Bitcoin video at the end of this video, because don't miss that. I never trade altcoins without a clear understanding of Bitcoin, because that could very much wreck you. So, Kava, weekly time frame, falling wedge pattern, huge pattern here that has been forming since May of 2023. Wow, it's been on this huge downtrend here. Okay, and falling wedges. Why are they important? Why are they important to charts? It's because they're very simple, very effective, and it tells me that after an extensive downtrend on that time frame, that the price action is more likely to break out to the upside. Okay, so price target here, if Kava actually breaks out to the upside here, if it breaks out by here, for example, price target would be about almost $1.40. There's going to be the weekly 200 SMA that's going to be coming in as resistance, currently about $1.20, something to be looking out for. And you're going to have your weekly moving averages, your other weekly moving averages that's above the price action here. Okay, something to be looking out for as resistance. Let's zoom in a little bit. Daily time frame. What could Kava be doing here on this daily time frame? Also a falling wedge pattern here. Okay, so like I said, it's more likely to break out to the upside. And if it breaks out to the upside, let's just say by this point here, for example, price target would be about 52.5 cents. Now, price targets are estimates only. There could be more, there could be less. Very much depends on Bitcoin, particularly, and the type of market that we're in. Okay, if Bitcoin dumps, these setups are not going to be worth much. Okay, and of course, that's basically what I'm seeing for Kava. And if you guys want to continue seeing more of Kava, make sure to drop a like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.